Cook Vin Ingredients: 1 whole chicken cut into pieces, or 4 to 5 chicken thighs, 200 g bacon, 200 g mushrooms, 200 g baby carrots, 1 large onion, 4 garlic cloves, 750 milliliters red wine, 250 milliliters chicken broth, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 bay leaves, fresh thyme, sprigs, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions. Initial preparation. In a large pan, brown the chopped bacon until crispy. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, brown the chicken pieces until well browned on all sides. Remove and set aside. Vegetables. In the same pan with the bacon and chicken fat, add the chopped onion and garlic. Cook until golden and soft. Add the mushrooms and baby carrots, cooking until they are also golden. Thicken the sauce. Add the 2 tablespoons of flour and cook for 2 minutes, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Cooking. Add the red wine and chicken broth to the pan. Bring to a boil, scraping the brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Return the chicken and bacon to the pan. Add the bay leaves and thyme sprigs. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours until the chicken is tender. Finishing touches. Adjust the salt and pepper to taste. If the sauce is too thin, you can remove the chicken and reduce the sauce over high heat until it thickens. Serving. Serve the cook oven hot, accompanied by steamed potatoes or creamy mashed potatoes.